How to increase Shopify store speed without coding. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the speed of your Shopify store without any coding as a complete beginner. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to log into your Shopify account to your store that you have already created. If you do not have an account on Shopify, you can actually create one using your email address. You can use your Google account. You can sign up, create your own store. So on Shopify, we have our own, store where we sell our products. We have a storefront, we have a catalog, we have a lot of products. And when it comes to our storefront, when it comes to our website on Shopify, it has a lot of different images. It has videos that we add. It has product images. And sometimes when a customer visits our website, the website takes time to load and it's not fast enough. And when a website is not fast, it doesn't load, of course the customer is not going to buy something and they will just simply close the tab. So we don't want that. We want our visitors to actually convert into a buyer with the website. So we want to actually increase the customer experience, so that we can sell more products and our business grows. So that's what I will show you today: how you can make your images smaller, how you can optimize your website as a whole so that it loads faster and you will be able to improve your customer experience and sell more product. For that, let me actually show you first the store I have. I'm just going to go to my online store here and we have theme. So let's click on customize and it will show you the storefront that I have right now. So you can see in my storefront, I have different images added. Of course, we have some product images and then we have a video image too. And you can see it didn't take much time to load this image. The image is not taking time to load. That's what we want. And even now I need to work on my website more, how I can do that. So the first thing that people think in mind is coding. We can do this with coding, but we don't know how to code. We don't want to go, with coding. So for that, we will just simply do a very simple trick on Shopify. No pricing plan is involved, nothing. You don't have to pay anything. All you need to do is just click on add apps on Shopify. Once you click right here, it will take you to some of the ads and then you're going to click on Shopify App Store. So this is our Shopify App Store, app.shopify.com. Here you need to search for an application known as Fast Shop. And there you go, we have our results. We have Fast Shop Optimize All Media. So what you're going to do is you're going to select this application. So here a free plan is available. We will be able to get started for free. The rating is 4.6 for the review. So what Fast Shop does is Fast Shop adds zero code to your store. And what happens is it speeds up your store media experience like nobody else does. We optimize your videos and images, make them lighter, and give a serious boost to your store's load time. Faster load time means higher conversion rate. So that's what Fast Shop is going to do for us. Of course, the images and videos will be lighter and they will load faster. Let's check out the pricing plan. There is a free plan available. Product images only 500 images per month. And then we have a Pro 2, which is going to be $25 per month or $250 per year, and you can save up to 20% with this one. So here we will be getting product media only, unlimited images, unlimited videos, automated optimization of new media, and restore to original. So you can go with the free version or you can buy the Pro for Fast Shop. So now you know all the details about it. Let's add it to our Shopify store. Click on Add App and it will load the Fast Shop for you. So now we just need to connect our store to our Fast Shop. So we're going to click on Install App. And here we have Fast Shop added to our Shopify store. It's actually really easy. You can transform the photos and videos in your store to load faster and look better with the Fast Shop plugin. Now, all we need to do is, just like the plugin has been added, we have these three dots right here. We will get the app settings and get support. Now, what we're going to do is, so once you add the Fast Shop, you will get the Get Started option. Once you click on Get Started, then it will actually show you all of the images that you have. For instance, you have 50 images on your Shopify store. It will show you the files that are being optimized and that have been optimized, and it'll show you how much percentage you have saved, for instance, 67%, and how many MBs you have saved with Fast Shop, for instance, 25. And of course, the more you will save, the faster the website will load. It will give you an overview about what's happening in your website. The images optimized, videos optimized, saved, what are the images, what was the original size of the image, and what was the saving. For instance, an image file is like 5 MB, and it actually reduces it to 900 KB and saves up to 84%. So that's how Fast Shop works. It has all of these different features that will work really good. This will help your website load faster. For instance, this image right here, or you can upload any image to your website. Let's actually check it. So what I will do is I'm going to click on add section. In add section, I'm going to go with an image banner. So let's go with image banner, and this section will be added, and I will upload an image from my media. The file is going to be like 5 MB or 4 MB, but of course the fast shop will reduce the size to few KBs. So now the image banner has been added here. I'm gonna select the image from my computer, or we can select a free image. So let's do that. And now this image has been added here. We can, of course, change the different blocks that we have, or we can delete these for now so that the image is visible. Let me actually quickly do that. So once the image is added, now what you will do is you can go to your Fast Shop, and in Fast Shop, what it will do is it will reduce the size, and our store will load faster. Again, it optimizes your store, and there are some other options as well, where you will be getting analytics of the conversion rate, how many visitors you're getting, and how many visitors are active, the customers that you have. This way, you can upload media without the worry of your store. You can upload big images or videos that you had of your store, of your products. You can just upload them, and Fast Shop will optimize it for you, reduce the size, and you will be able to simply improve your customer experience and run a successful store online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.